Hi, my name is Pedro Loureiro. I'm an architectural illustrator and I'm coming to you from Lisbon, Portugal. You know how they say that a picture is worth 1,000 words? Well, for me, a sketch is worth 1,000 stories. I see urban sketching as a novel way to look at things, at people and places. It's as if we have a new set of eyes that makes us see the world anew. Sketching allows me to get to know places that are new to me and investigate places that are familiar. I can always find new stories by sketching the human interactions that surround me. In my sketchbook, I keep a record of both the ordinary everyday life of places I visit and the extraordinary unique events that I chance upon. And I come to realize that the soul of each sketch I do comes from including people. It's all about the people, how they go about their daily affairs, how they change the world little by little with each action and interaction that they take. I am standing just outside this beautiful downtown traditional marketplace in Lisbon, and I'm very excited to tell you about my workshop during the International Urban Sketcher Symposium in Buenos Aires. As urban sketchers, we thrive in showing the world and its people one sketch at a time. I want you to feel comfortable in your sketches of people in action. During my workshop, I'll help you loosen up your perspectives and environment to get the maximum focus on the story of your sketch. We will see the market of San Telmo from the viewpoints of the great people working and living in it. We'll focus on sketching generic people in the background to create like a busy atmosphere. We'll practice capturing close-up figures in action as well as a few objects they're interacting with quick gestures. Finally, we will take advantage of the indoor architecture to set a stage for the stories of the great people going about their daily business in the marketplace. Whether they are the local grocer, the barista, the kids playing or the grandma shopping, all stories matter. And each sketch we do is a story that we tell back to the world.